If you want to make a perfect hole in an egg, you're going to need 3 Phillips head screwdrivers, a 5/64, a 3/32, and a 1/8. I've already pierced the egg with a push pin. Start out with your smallest one. Put the tip in the hole. I like to hold it like this and just start spinning, applying a little bit of pressure. You don't want to push too hard. You push too hard, it's going to crack the eggshell, and you definitely don't want to crack the eggshell. When it goes in, time to go to the next size up. Now when you do the second one, you're going to feel the grinding because you've already put the hole there. Just keep turning it. Don't push too hard. You will break the egg or the eggshell. You'll get spider cracks going away from the hole, and you don't want that. That weakens the egg. Just keep spinning. And the 1/8" hole, that's how big you want. If you go smaller, you're going to run into a problem. Clean it up a little. And there's the perfect 1/8 hole in the egg. Any smaller, you're going to blow up the eggs a lot more. If you want to get more than a half a dozen or even a dozen, I just did a dozen without breaking one of them. You want to use this technique.